To create a Crypto.com account, start by going to the Crypto.com website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your account. Next, you will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, date of birth, and country of residence. This information is required to comply with Know Your Customer regulations and to verify your identity. After providing the required information, you will receive a verification email from Crypto.com. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. This step is crucial to ensure that your account is secure and that you have control over it. Once your account is verified, you will be asked to set up two-factor authentication. This is an additional security measure that requires you to enter a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and helps to prevent unauthorized access. After setting up two-factor authentication, you will be able to access the Crypto.com dashboard. From here, you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, as well as manage your account settings and view your transaction history. To buy or sell cryptocurrencies, navigate to the Trade section of the dashboard and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell. Enter the amount you want to trade and confirm the transaction. Make sure to review the transaction details carefully before confirming, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. It is also important to note that Crypto.com has a mobile app that allows you to manage your account and trade cryptocurrencies on the go. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices and provides a convenient way to access your account and trade cryptocurrencies at any time. In conclusion, creating a Crypto.com account is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and verification. By following these steps and taking the necessary security measures, you can securely buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies on the Crypto.com platform.